Hey everybody, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and here on our channel we try to show you how to make things quick, easy, from scratch, at home. And today I have one of those. We're just going to make some buttermilk ranch packets. Instead of you buying something that has stuff in it you can't pronounce, we're going to lay it all out and put it all in a jar and make some ranch dressing. Alright? Really simple ingredients. We're going to need some minced onion. We're going to need some parsley, some dill weed, some paprika, some sugar, some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. Okay, we're going to start with the onions, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons. And then we're going to take that parsley and use a teaspoon of that. Going to use a teaspoon of dill. Use a teaspoon and a half of paprika, two teaspoons of sugar, two teaspoons of salt, one teaspoon of black pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. Okay, and just like Randy's butt rub, we're going to shake, shake, shake. And there you have 1 packet of ranch salad dressing. Now we're going to make it salad dressing. Okay, you need 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, it's 1 cup of whole milk plus 1 teaspoon of vinegar and let it sit for 4 or 5 minutes. Instant buttermilk works every time. And 1 cup of mayonnaise. Give that a good stir and get it all incorporated. Make sure it's smooth. You could probably use a whisk better than a spoon. But I don't know where my whisk must be inside the RV. Okay, nice and smooth. I'm going to give it a taste test and see if I want to change anything. And I don't. It's just like we like it. And there you go. Oh, Randy wants to try.
That's better than ranch.
Yeah, it's way better than the stuff you buy in the store. Absolutely. What you need to do though, because we did use these dry onions, they're still going to be crunchy. What you'll need to do is just make this up an hour or 2 before you plan to use it and stick it in the fridge. Then it'll be nice and cold. Your onions will be softened up and you'll be good to go. Y'all have a great night. Bye.